Norma Rae's call to action, confronting silence and injustice in today's labor movement. My fellow workers and allies, I stand before you today, not as a relic of the past, but as a voice resurrected to confront the pressing injustices of our time. The struggles we once faced in the textile mills persist in new forms, demanding our unwavering vigilance and action. The deafening silence of our leaders. It is with profound disappointment that I address the conspicuous silence of organizations and leaders who once championed the cause of the working class. The National Workers' Compensation Commission, the Teamsters, the automakers unions, and other labor entities have remained mute on critical issues that threaten the well-being of both immigrant and U.S. citizen workers. This silence is not just a betrayal of our principles but a direct affront to the sacrifices made by countless laborers. The hypocrisy of political leadership. Governor Gavin Newsom, your recent veto of Senate Bill 788, designed to eliminate gender bias in workers' compensation, is a glaring contradiction to the values you profess to uphold. This bill, which passed unanimously in both the Senate and Assembly, sought to rectify the systemic discrimination that results in women receiving 10% less compensation than their male counterparts for identical injuries. Your veto perpetuates this injustice, undermining the very foundation of equality. Boxer law. The injustice of for-profit detention centers. The proliferation of for-profit detention centers, profiting from the incarceration of immigrants and marginalized individuals, is a stain on our national conscience. These institutions prioritize profit over human dignity, exploiting vulnerable populations for financial gain. This is not the America we strive to be. The urgent need for legislative action. The American Families United Act stands as a beacon of hope for countless families torn apart by unjust immigration policies. It is unconscionable to demand that individuals do it the legal way when legislative bodies have twice failed to pass reforms that would protect American-born children and spouses of undocumented individuals. The time for action is now. We must pass this act to uphold the integrity of our nation and the sanctity of family. The tragic loss of leadership. The recent tragic loss of the CEO of United serves as a stark